How to use Granola AI with Microsoft Teams. So first, you can go to your preferred browser and just go to the Granola AI download website. So you can just search for Granola AI download directly and enter the first option. From there, it should just bring you to something like this. It just basically automatically download your Granola. It's going to appear to the top right, and a setup will start once you open up the file. So once your Granola is now open, you can go ahead and sign in. For now, we're just going to go and choose the Microsoft option since it should just be directly connected. And you can just go ahead and do this process. As you can see, this will appear here. Sign into your work calendar in order to continue. So once done, this will appear. Then we can just start using our Granola. Connect our calendar. So this way it can display upcoming Teams meeting and identify meeting participants, schedule events, and it should include a valid Microsoft Teams meeting link. So you could join the Teams meeting. You can open the Teams meeting normally or join through the reminder displayed by Granola. So as long as you keep your Granola running and you choose the meeting, begin taking brief notes while it transcribes the conversation in the background, it should just work properly as long as your Granola is open and connected to the same account with your Teams meeting. But after your recording or the meeting, you can open the Granola note to view the enhanced summary, transcript, decisions, and action items. You can also edit the content as needed, then use the Granola sharing controls to send the notes to your teammates if you ever have any. But that's pretty much the general idea on how it works, so hopefully the video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.